meteorologist, Miss Katie Whittaker, with your Mid-Hudson Valley and Red Hook High School forecast for the week of November 16th, 2020. I'm reporting from outside of the high school, and it is a chilly Monday afternoon. It's in the 40s, but that northerly wind is making it feel a bit cooler, and I do think I see some snow flurries. A little bit surprising, but not all that much with that north wind. If you take a look at this observation map from this morning, you'll see that actually most of the country saw temperatures in the 20s and 30s, except for Florida and the West Coast, and a couple of other exceptions as well. But it was a chilly start for most of the nation today. And you'll see that cold front draped off the coastline. That's the cold front that brought in some strong winds and some heavy rain, even some tornadoes potentially in the tri-state New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania area. They're verifying that still, but some pretty strong storms for this time of year for sure. If we look ahead at the surface map for your Tuesday morning, well, this is a little bit interesting. You can see along Florida that cold front has sort of stalled out along the tip of Florida, and then you'll see the cold front with the low pressure developing on it. That blue means chance of snow, so I wouldn't be all that surprised if we saw some snow showers for your Tuesday morning. I don't think we'll see anything in the way of accumulations out here in the Mid-Hudson Valley. Story could be a little bit different on the west side of the Catskills, as they tend to get a little bit more in the way of precipitation and snowfall when the wind is from the direction that it's coming from. So they might see a light dusting, but nothing too significant at this point. Now, after the system moves through, high pressure will build in, but the isobars are dropping in from Canada. That means bitterly cold temperatures, and you'll see that in the 5-day forecast. Let's get to the weather shout out. What's that, Beaker? A shout out to Mrs. Ortell? Okay. I was lucky enough to have Mrs. Ortell as part of my science team in elementary school, and then now working with her as a professional at Stannis. It has surely been a pleasure, so I'm more than happy to give her this well-earned weather shout out for this week. Mrs. Ortell lives in Norwich, New York, which, if you don't know where that is near Oneonta, so in the central part of New York State. Your forecast is very similar to what it will be here in the Mid-Hudson Valley, except it will be slightly colder. I think you might see a little bit more in the way of some snow showers. Coldest day of the week for you is Wednesday. It will be sunny though, but highs will only get into the lower 30s. And overnight, Wednesday into Thursday, temperatures will be in the teens. Let's get to the 5-day forecast for Red Hook and the Mid-Hudson Valley. So for Tuesday, I didn't put in that chance of snow showers because originally that snow system, that snowmaker, didn't look like it'd be much of anything, but more and more it's trending to maybe some more snow showers around. So maybe a passing snow shower or two in the morning on Tuesday, and then we'll see maybe some partial clearing in the afternoon, but I think we'll see more clouds than sun with highs in the mid to upper 40s. For Wednesday, look for mostly sunny skies. It'll remain cool with highs around 40. For Thursday, sunny, but very cold start. I think around here in the Red Hook area, we'll have overnight lows Wednesday into Thursday in the upper teens. For Friday, look for partly cloudy skies. Temperatures will rebound a bit and get into the mid-50s. And for Saturday, look for partly sunny skies with a chance of a passing shower or two and temperatures in the 50s. It looks like another low pressure system is setting up for the weekend and will work its way into New York State. The timing on that low pressure system is a little bit uncertain, so it could cause some clouds and precipitation for the weekend time. At this point, it does not look like a washout, but a lot can change between now and then, so I'm just putting in the chance of a shower depending on the timing. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Weather with Whittaker, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week.